and getting stronger sa love life and everything. Happy birthday! Cheers!
Pare, happy birthday. We wish you more years to come.
Happy birthday, Boss Dax.
Good health, happiness.
I wish all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Boss.
Dax, puta na, matanda na tayo, men.
Birthday, Papa. I love you.
Alam mo ang pampahaba ng buhay? Kumain ka. Pag hindi ka na kumakain, delikado yun.
Bata-bata ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, tingnan, kahit alam naman natin.
Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo, pare. I love him. He knows that. Simple na naman siguro, pare. Pare, ito, love kita. Mahal kita.
Thank you to myself for being me. I get super rich that I won't have to work anymore.
Legend yan. Yan. Pinalagkat na yan. Ang tawag na nalagkat ang using yung may-ari nito. Sino kasama mo? Ayun o.
Follow this guy.
So follow me for more videos. Let's go! Shaquille O'Neal ng Pilipino. Tinawag siya sa nabili mo ko, no? Oh yeah! Tayang ilaw. Ang sabi, si Madam naka-iPhone 18. Happy boy!
Umorder na kayo, 20 lang isang takore.
Oh, hindi na ako mapag-outro kasi nalalasing na ako. Let's go!
How many times, how many fears, how many rhymes, how many things that we had to go through. Now we're standing here just aligned. Everything works out here in the end. Everything falls into place in time. Live for the mix and blend, no 8s or 9s and everything's 10. Light work never been hard, easy, yeah, you know we got scars. Following signs of following stars, following ceiling, following hearts. You can do it when you want to, yeah, no rush. Life is amazing, life is enough. You know where you stand when you know your stuff. You know how it goes when you know your.
Yon, what's up? Magandang buhay. Welcome back to our channel. It's Moy. It's Jai. Pa kayo nakasubscribe, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For today's video, guys, samahan nyo kami pumunta sa birthday ng pinaka lodi sa Bay Area na walang iba kundi si Dax Olvido. So ayan, guys, pupunta kami kila Dax ngayon at magsi-celebrate siya ng birthday niya. Punta daw kami dun sa kanila, meron siyang konting handaan. So ngayon, away kami sa bahay nila, guys. Doon gaganapin, bandang Hayward, San Leandro siya. So I see you guys there. Inuman yon, and let's have some fun. Drink moderately. Let's go! Anong wish mo? Anong wish mo?
Alam mo na, long life,
Long life.
tsaka world peace.
Meta world peace.
Diba? Yung ano, yung napag... Basta lahat, Oo. Ngayon, dalawa na yung kulay ng plato eh.
So guys, ito yung pagkain namin. Chunbelly, oh. Ano to, Dax? Orange chicken. Pancit. Yun, oh. Taramana, oh. Yung model mo, boy.
Hindi. Mas tayo din. Hindi ko makahalo yung pakwet eh.
Ito, guys.
Kasi madaling mas okay yun. Yung papangit, hirap tanggalin.
So ganito maghiwa na lechon. Then,
Oh, baby, this time I love you.
hey. Hi, Sok.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Basta, Sok.
Hi.
Tama lagay.
OG gang. Damen. Tayo ma. Hoy. Pale.
Hi! I would like to greet my all friends and family in the Philippines. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
And happy holidays to you guys.
Happy holiday, guys! Ang message ko kay Dax is more power to career, getting stronger sa love life and everything. Happy birthday! Cheers!
Pare, happy birthday. We know you for about 16 years now. All I can say is we wish you more years to come. Good health. Thanks for the friendship.
Anong masasabi mo sa birthday ni Dax? Anong message?
Happy birthday, Boss Doc. Legend ka sa Bay Area. That's it.
Happy birthday, Doc. Cheers, cheers.
Pare, tumatanda na tayo, man. I'm happy for you. Be happy for me too. Happy birthday, my nigga.
Good health and happiness. Good health and happiness.
Thankful for having you in my life. Happy birthday, and I wish you nothing but the best. And may God bless you with much more. I wish all your dreams come true. I love you so much, my amor.
Anong city mo?
Birthday, Papa. I love you. Hi, Dax. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend. Have a blast.
Anong masasabi mo kay Dax?
Happy birthday, boss. Salamat sa approve na mga bakasyon ko. Naka-anim na bakasyon na ako. Boss Dax, thank you sa approve ng bakasyon. Happy birthday.
Ano masasabi mo kay Dax? Happy birthday, Dax. Napaka-heartwarming nun. Ikaw. Yan.
Magkakasama tayo lahat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dax.
Lodi.
Lodi.
Master.
Nagaw. Yeah, I love you.
Simple na naman siguro, pare. Pare, ito, love kita eh. Mahal kita. Pare, nandito yung camera. Mic yan. Mic ba to? Mahal ko si pare. Ano na possible ulitin ko? Long life at world peace. Kinakina mo. Long life at world peace. World peace. Pare, no? World peace. Kandidato pa yung kumpare. Dax, happy birthday. Ghost Ride Nico. Ano nga aking masasabi? Alam mo na yan.
Anong message mo kay Dax?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka. Alam mo ang pampahaba ng buhay? Kumain ka. Pag hindi ka na kumakain, delikado yun.
Teka, baka maiyak ako pare, tanga na. Batang-bata ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, tingnan. Kahit alam naman natin, ilang taong ka na. Happy birthday pare.
Ha?
Message kay Dax.
Oh, I love you, pare. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto mo, pare. Pepsi Boys for life.
Happy birthday OG. You already know. On the Hilo. DX.
Day one, my real nigga. I love him, man. He knows that. Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you. Hey. Happy birthday.
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo?
Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you to myself for being me. And I'm wishing myself a better future. Hopefully, I get super rich that I won't have to work anymore. And happy birthday to me. I love me!
So guys, lasing na kami! Food trip na lang! Food trip na, food trip. Kanya-kanya ng kwentuhan. Hey! Downtown kinaladkat din.
Ang kinalagkat ang QC, hindi na may-ari nito.
Ay, ito nag-a-approve bakasyon ko. Ito nag-a-approve bakasyon ko.
Ayun pala.
Idol.
Cheers, madam! Yes, sunshine! Marbles! Cheers! Happy birthday, Dax! Asan yung po umalit? Regalo ko. Thank you. Thank you. Sa akin ka mag-thank you. Joke. Thank you, bro. Let's go, Vicky. Cheers. Cheers tayo. Lay. So yun nga guys, huli kami nagbabalik dito. Lasing na kami. Kaya kami Follow this guy. So follow me for more videos. Let's go. Hey. Hey, tangkila.
How many times, how many fears, how many rhymes, how many things that we had to go through. Now we're standing here just aligned. Everything works out here in the end. Everything falls into place in time. Live for the mix and blend, no 8s or 9s and everything's 10. Light work never been hard, easy, yeah, you know we got scars. Following signs of following stars, following feeling, following hearts. You can do it when you want to, yeah, no rush. Life is amazing, life is enough. You know where you stand when you know your stuff. You know how it goes when you know your.
So yun guys, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So hindi na ako mapag-outro kasi nalasing na ako. Happy birthday again, Doc! So